Welcome back students. In this video we will discuss this result. देखो बहुत सिंपल सा रिजल्ट है. Just by definition we will proceed and we will get our result. Okay. Now first step before proceeding, कि n और n dash both are non-linear space, then we have to show that their direct product is also a non-linear space. And by which norm? This norm. एक element x का n का, second element is from n dash, and norm of that x comma y is defined as this. Norm of x plus norm of y. Now first thing, proof में first thing क्या होती है? नॉन नेगेटिविटी. ओके, तो नॉन नेगेटिविटी में व्हाट वी हैव, वी शुड हैव दिस कंप्लीट पोर्शन इज ग्रेटर देन 0. ओके, नाउ फॉर दैट देखो राइट साइड से वी विल प्रोसीड. नॉर्म ऑफ एक्स इज ऑलवेज ग्रेटर देन इक्वल टू 0. नॉन नेगेटिव का मतलब होता है या तो 0 आए और इट विल बी सम पॉजिटिव नंबर, बट इट कांट कम नेगेटिव. ओके, तो norm of x being norm, it is always greater than equal to 0, and norm of y being norm, it is also greater than equal to 0. And जब दो non negative terms का you are taking the sum, that sum will also be non negative. तो this imply कि x y का norm non negative है. Okay, second thing, identity. Identity में if and only if statement is there, firstly we will assume कि this norm is 0, and if by if and only if result, forward and backward proof we will prove simultaneously. Okay, तो identity में x y is equal to 0, this norm is 0. We will show कि if this norm is 0 ना, तो x and y both are itself 0. Only in that particular case it is possible. तो ये ओपन कैसे हो रहा है? नॉर्म ऑफ एक्स प्लस नॉर्म ऑफ वाई इज इक्वल टू 0. दो नॉन नेगेटिव टर्म्स का सम 0 है. सम ऑफ टू नॉन नेगेटिव टर्म्स इज 0. दैट मीन्स बोथ नॉर्म इज 0 if and only if. Now if this norm is 0, what this imply? It is possible if and only if x itself is 0 and y itself is 0. This is the non-negativity condition. Third condition है scalar multiplication. In the scalar multiplication, let alpha is our scalar. Okay, तो अल्फा एक्स कोमा अल्फा वाई का नॉर्म इट विल बी इक्वल टू नॉर्म ऑफ एक्स प्लस नॉर्म ऑफ वाई. बिकॉज दोनों के साथ अल्फा था, तो जब ये नॉर्म ऐसे ओपन होगी, अल्फा विल कम विद एक्स एंड वाई बोथ. फ्रॉम हियर आई कैन टेक कॉमन दिस. देखो ये एलिमेंट किसका है? एन का है. एन इज अ नॉन लीनियर स्पेस ना. इफ एन इज नॉन लीनियर स्पेस, हियर ऑल्सो it is equal to 0, and this x element is belonging to this n. n non-linear space है, तो ये possible if and only if x itself is 0. Here also this alpha x non-linear space है, मतलब vector space भी होगा. ये जो alpha x है, this is belonging in n, and if it is belonging in n, being a non-linear space, I can open it like this. Same and dash के elements के साथ. So I can take this common. Done. Now what is this? Norm of alpha. This is done. Now last result is triangle inequality. Triangle inequality. For x1 comma y1 and x2 comma y2, what we have? Norm of x1 comma y1 triangle inequality I want to show ना, x2 comma y2. इसको I can open x1 plus x2 comma y1 plus y2. It is in first place, it is also in first place, both of them will get added, and comma बीच में. It is in second place, it is also in second place, both of them will get added. तो यहाँ से I can open it as norm of x1 plus x2 into norm of y1 plus y2. I can open like this. Now after this I can open it as x1, बीच में plus है, this plus x1 plus norm of x2 plus y1 plus norm of y2. Now combine x1 and y1 and x2 and y2. So it will be x1 comma y1 plus x2 comma y2. So this is the proof that n cross n, direct product of two norm linear space, is also a norm linear space. Okay.